Master, a sales staff from GRUDA Hair factory in Vietnam. And Vietnam has become a home of many legit human hair suppliers with wholesale price and top-notch quality to all over the world. And our customers, especially in Africa, they often make a big order of Bond Street. And Bond Street is always one of our best-seller products in our company stock. After delivery process, we receive many feedbacks and questions from our customer like, you can recommend some tips to take care of the Bond Street. So, a topic I would like to mention today is how to maintain the Bond Street and avoid it from tangling and sitting. After delivery process for a long time, Bond Street hair can be rolled up. So we need to use the hair straightener to straighten it again before using. You can do some steps as follows. First of all, let's gather your tools, including some clips, a hair comb, a bottle of hair serum, and a hair straightener. Then, spray some hair serum all over the hair bundle to help the hair more moisture, preventing the damage because of heat. The next step, you comb the hair in a downward motion, starting at the tail, and then comb the top part of the bundle. Finally, you divide the bundle into small sections and use your hair straightener to straighten the hair. And I also give you some do's and don't tips on how to maintain your Bond Street hair. So what should we do? Firstly, gently comb the hair. Combing the hair is the fastest way to make it tangle free. Though it is really easy to press and comb through the Bond Street hair, don't harshly comb the hair since it will loosen the hair and cause hair loss. You should comb the hair tail first and then move to the top part. Remember, always comb your hair bundle in a downward motion. Secondly, wash your hair frequently. After you wear the hair for several days, your Bond Street hair will look dry, greasy, and dirty. That's why you should wash your hair extension frequently to bring back their vibrant look. Use alcohol-free shampoo and conditioner. Alcohol products will dry the hair and make it sitting and tangling, so it's best to opt for the alcohol-free and moisturizing products. For the color Bond Street hair, you should wash it using cool water to save your color for the longer time. And finally, use the hair serum and argan oil. Since the human hair extensions do not get the natural oil from your scalp like your natural hair, it's easier to dry. Accordingly, you should nourish your hair by applying some hair serum or argan oil. So, what should we need to avoid? There are 4 things we need to avoid. The first thing is curling the hair or switch up the styles. The Bond Street hair is not an option for hairstyling with heat. Even if you curl the hair, the curls will be loose quickly and even damage the Bond Street. The next thing, using dry shampoo only to clean the hair. Clean your hair with dry shampoo only will cause product buildups and harm your hair. So, just use it if you are in a hurry and can manage to wash your Bond Street hair with normal shampoo and water. The next thing is combing the hair from tip to root. This will surely make your hair tangle and even split. The last thing is sleeping with a wet Bond Street hair. This will weaken your hair extensions and make them tangle. Not to mention other skin issues can occur due to damp hair.
Above, I gave you some do's and don't tips on how to maintain your bone straight hair. If you have any further questions related to our topic today, so please kindly leave your comment below or contact us via WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.